Hello, my dear students. You know that I am solving previous paper, past paper of Level 2, Genius Cerebrum Mathematics Olympiad. Till now, I have solved 55 questions. There are total 60 questions in one paper. I am solving 5 questions in each lecture. So today, this is the last part and I am going to solve the 5 questions, the last 5 questions from 56 to 60. Try to understand. A frog, actually a frog has to climb 8 meters, right? Because a frog has fallen in 8-meter deep ditch and frog is climbing 5 meter a day, but on the same day he is also falling back 4 meters. So what would be the case at day one? Frog would be climbing, see, I have to reach at 8 meter. Okay, this is my target. Frog is climbing 5 but falling back 4. That means 1 meter he is only able to reach. Day 2, he would be climbing 4 more. Right now he is at 1. So he would be climbing, sorry, 5 more. So he would be at 6. And but again he will fall 4. That means 2 meter at day 2. At day 3, what will happen? The frog will now climb 5 meter, right? So 5 and 2 will make 7. But again he will fall 4 meter. That means 3 meter right now. But on day 4, what will happen? Frog is already at 3 meters and right now he will just climb 5 meter, and when he will climb 5 meter he will just reach 8 meter. So if he reached the top, there is no need to just, he will again fall back if he's at the top, right? If that frog is at the top. So at day 4 we are going to reach like that. Many students, they make the mistake, they subtract here also, right? Like 4 and they write 4 like that and like that, and they get answer as 6, but that is the wrong answer. When 4 is the correct answer. I hope you understood how we are going in this question. See, actually Stella started a book club in her school. In first week, actually there is Stella, one girl, and in first week, week number 1, she recruited 2 people, means 2 people. One, Stella is just one person, recruited 2 people. These 2 people have to recruit, means all the new members have to recruit 2 other new members. That means in week 2, these 2 peoples are going to recruit total 4 members. 2 people are there, both will recruit 2 and 2 members, total would be 4 multiplied by 2. Same way, the series will go multiplied by 2, 2 and 2, because these 4 members will again recruit other 2 members. That means 4 times 2. So week 3 it would be 8, and again week 4 it would be 16, and week 5 it would be 32. You just have to add all, including Stella. Add all. So ones places. First of all, so 1 and 2 is 3 and 4 is equal to 7. 7 and 8 is 15. 15 and 6 is 21. 21 and 2 is 23. So we have here 23 and we have just 2 carry. And here we have a tens plus 1 and 3. That means 4 and 2, 6. So this is my correct answer. Now see, what is the difference between the shaded and unshaded portion? And if this pattern is being followed, then what is going to happen in the third pattern, right? Try to understand. So in pattern number 1, there are 2 unshaded portion and 1 shaded. So what is the difference? 1. In pattern number 2, there are 2 shaded and 1, 2, 3, 4 are not shaded. That means 4 minus 2. That means C. In pattern 1, I'm getting answer as 1. In 2, I'm getting as 2. In 3, I'll get 3. In 4, 5, 6, like that. In 73rd, I'll get my difference as 73. That's it. So other one, we have 59 question number. A tank of water contain 99 liter and 760 ml. There is a hole in the bottom of the tank through which 4 liter is okay every hour. So this much water is being drained out of that tank. How many liter of water would be left in the tank after 6 minutes, after 6 hours? So see how many water would be drained. You would just be multiplying. There is just column method by which you have to multiply liter and there is ml. So 8 like this, we have liter and we have ml like this. Try to understand. So I'm writing here 4 and 830 ml, and I have to multiply it by 6, because in 1 hour this is much is draining. In 6 hours, how much would drain? So 600 will come, and here again 6 threes are 18, and again and there would be again, if you will see, there would be 49. Means 6 threes would be 18, 8 will come here, 1 is there, then 48 and 1, right? 49 will come. So here if you will see, there is 4 liter and 980 ml. If you will see, this 4 liter part will go into carry to this side, right? Go into carry. So at last I will write the carry in the multiplication. This will go as the carry. So 6 4s are 24 and 4 carry was 28. So we have 28 liter and 980 ml that was being drained in 6 hours. So how much would be left? Again subtract by same method. Liter and ml would be there. We have 99, we have 760, and I have to subtract 980 ml and this 28. So we would not be able to subtract that. So therefore, I'll take one carry this side. If I'll take 1 liter carry towards ml side, it would become 1000 ml. So now 1000 ml and 760 ml. Now we have 1760 ml. I don't have this number. My new number is this. And I'm going to subtract from this. So 0 and 0 together would be the 0. Here we have 16 minus 8 is going to make 8 here. And from here, I'm just going to get my answer. So here we have 0 and 8. Nothing like option we have. So this would be my correct answer. If you want to solve further, you can solve, right? So again, we have this part here. So if you will see that it would be just 7. And here I had taken one carry, so it would be 98. And when 98, we will subtract here with 0, 7. 70 liter and 780 ml would be my right answer. This is very easy question. You have to say that which part is being folded like that. These have a kind of segment. Here I can't see any segment. If there would be the segment, means division into 4 part, I could have seen here also, but there is no segment. So this can't be my answer, this can't be my answer, because these has a kind of segment, right? Kind of division shape. But here I don't have like that. These are not aligned. See how their alignment is. It can't be my answer. This is my answer. It is simple. So we have completed our whole series of one past paper. Likewise, I'm going to make many videos. I will request you, please subscribe my channel. Do subscribe and share also with your friend. Do like. And if you want to join the personal classes with me, this is my WhatsApp number. You can join. So that's it from my side. All the best for your Olympiads. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. We will be meeting with another lecture.